Top 7 Best Drones 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Rise Tech Tello. For just under $100, the Rise Tech Tello, designed by DJI, makes for a good, inexpensive drone for first-time flyers. However, what elevates it above other inexpensive drones for kids is the fact that it can be programmed using Scratch, turning this toy into an educational device. In addition, the Tello has a 720 camera that records pretty good video and is easy to fly around. The biggest issue we had with the drone was its short 5-minute flight time, so you'll want to stock up on a few batteries if you decide to pick it up. Number 6. DJI Avata. For those who want a real taste of drone racing, the DJI Avata is a good place to start. Like the larger and older DJI FPV, the Avata comes with a pair of FPV goggles, so that you get a first-person view of where your drone is flying, delivered straight to your eyeballs. It also comes with a clever handheld controller that makes flying the Avata more like piloting an aircraft. The Avata was a lot of fun to fly and easy to pick up. Its fixed propeller guards also make it better able to withstand the errant crash into the ground, a tree, or whatever else is in its flight path. We didn't feel as queasy using the new goggles that came with the Avata as we did with DJI's older FPV goggles, but these were slightly less comfortable. Still, you won't be wearing them for too long a time, as the Avata's battery life of 18 minutes is much shorter than photography-focused drones. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. A step up from the DJI Mini 2 is the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is the same size and weight, but has a more advanced camera. Cleverly, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's camera can rotate 90 degrees to make it easier to shoot vertical video and photos. Great if you want to capture the entirety of a skyscraper, or want something easier to share on social media. It's also excellent at tracking moving subjects, and thanks to added object detection sensors, can avoid trees and other things as it follows you around. We also love the fact that with the extended battery, the Mini 3 Pro can fly for up to 47 minutes, while the actual number was around 44 minutes. It's a light drone and can get pushed around easily by a strong wind. That's still an incredibly long flight time. DJI offers the Mini 3 Pro in a variety of configurations, and you have your pick of 2 controllers, or none at all if you're upgrading from an earlier model. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the best drone for prosumers and videographers who want the best camera drone without having to purchase a camera and drone separately. Outfitted with a micro 4/3 Hasselblad sensor and a 1/2-inch CMOS camera, the Mavic 3 can record video at resolutions of up to 5.1K/50 fps, and it has a 28x digital zoom that's also pretty impressive. We also love that the Mavic 3 can fly for up to 41 minutes, a near eternity for drones. It also has excellent object tracking and 360-degree obstacle avoidance, so you can really record what you want without worrying about crashing into things. All of this comes at a cost. The Mavic 3 starts at $2,199, which is significantly more than the Mavic 2 Pro, which it replaces. However, DJI has also released the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, which costs $500 less. This model lacks the 28x digital zoom of the Mavic 3, the optional SSD, and ProRes video support, but is otherwise the same. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a good middle ground between the $760 DJI Mini 3 Pro and the $449 Mini 2. Like the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 3's camera can rotate 90 degrees so that you can take vertical video. Great for capturing tall buildings in their entirety, or yourself, if you're the selfie type. What we like even more about the Mini 3 is that it has pretty epic flight time, up to 51 minutes with the extended battery. You'll probably run out of room on your memory card before the Mini 3 needs to return home. However, to cut costs, the Mini 3 doesn't have as many obstacle avoidance sensors as the Mini 3 Pro. and its camera is a little less capable. There's no slow-mo video setting, for instance. But those are fine trade-offs to get you a drone for less than $500. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. If you took the DJI Mavic 3 and sliced off the 28x digital zoom and $500, you'd get the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Otherwise, everything we loved about the Mavic 3 is here in the Mavic 3 Classic. Amazing camera quality, incredibly long flight time, and excellent obstacle avoidance. In fact, we like the Mavic 3 Classics so much that we think it's the better option for most videographers, unless you really need ProRes video. The 28x zoom on the Mavic 3 is a neat trick, but it's ultimately not all that useful. So save yourself half a grand and thank us later. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. For most people, the DJI Mini 2 will be the best drone for their needs. It's tiny, able to fit in the palm of your hand, easy to fly, and can last up to 31 minutes in the air. And at $449, it's also the least expensive of DJI's drones, making it more accessible to the masses. The Mini 2's camera resolution has been improved over the previous generation, so it can now shoot at 4K/30fps, and because it's gimbal stabilized, it's just as smooth as ever. Because of its light weight -249 grams, you don't need to register the Mini 2 with the FAA, but it also means that the drone is more susceptible to high winds. Still, it's amazing what DJI packed into the minuscule Mini 2. So guys, that's all for Top 7 Best Drones. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.